करो करो।
हाँ ठीक है। श्री सुदीप बंडोपाध्याय जी।
Yeah, can you hear me? Honorable Rajnath Singh जी, आपको नमस्कार. प्रहलाद जोशी जी, आपको नमस्कार. Honorable leaders of the parties in parliament. First of all, I want to make it clarify that Trinamool Congress party is going to participate in Lok Sabha. We are going to take part in the budget session. We are going to take part in the debate of the President's address. So we'll find enough scope to express our views and our observations while discussion on the above two subjects. But the most crucial issue which is shaking the country at this stage, the farmers' bill, government is to take a positive decision. Yesterday, Honorable President's address, we don't want to criticize. But when around 19 plus 1, 20 opposition parties make a request to the government and decline to attend the President's address, government should consider the view of the opposition parties with priority. Only absolute majoritarianism in the Lok Sabha should not be reflected in such a manner that the farmers of the country do not suffer. What we also propose, let this bill be unconditionally withdrawn. Let Honorable Prime Minister convene a meeting of the leaders of the parties, not the leaders of the parliamentary parties, leaders of the parties, and there let it be discussed there. And this will send a very good signal that this government is totally in favor of running a government with a very positive democratic attitude. So this is a very positive submission on our behalf at the all party leaders meeting. Sir, also my submission to the committee, which I repeat in every meeting, that please put one subject in particular, unemployment issue. The unemployed youths who are now hungry, and hungry youth are fighting with hunger. It is the most shocking stage prevailing in the nation, prevailing in the country. Whether we can show them a path, how to revive, how to earn without government jobs also, the processes. Let there be a very comprehensive, long debate in the House. Thirdly, sir, we as a regional party especially, always facing difficulties, the functioning of the center and the functioning of the state governments. Central government have been elected by the people. They can function democratically. We all have our support, nothing to say against that. But the state governments equally are elected by the people of that state, and for which in our constitution it is a federal structure. But somehow the character, the philosophy, the constitutionally recorded federal structure system is to be discussed on the floor of the House in details. Normally, we stand by the government of India so far external affairs issues are concerned. But I agree with Ghulam Nabi ji also that issue of China, issue of Pakistan can be debated when the departmentally budget will be discussed as also in priority. Sir, this is also really a very short government. Short-term session will be conducted. But I was also surprised on one subject, I should say, as the chairman of the Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution System. We are now discussing one nation, one ration card policy. That is on process, and we are holding meetings on the subject and going to submit a report to the House also. But it was categorically delivered by Honorable President's address that one nation, one ration card is already introduced in the country. I may kindly be clarified. When Standing Committee is discussing the issue, and I as the chairman has taken it up with all priority, it has been debated only 15 days back also. Suddenly, it has been announced very broadly by Honorable President of India. Sir, we are very much of the opinion that the parliamentary democratic system be established very firmly, philosophy of secularism, communal harmony and unity of the country be reflected in a proper manner. We'll hear from the Honorable Prime Minister also. And thank you very much, Prahladji. Very nicely you have arranged this all-party leaders meeting in both the ways. Once I again convey my thanks to all the political party leaders and to Rajnath ji and Prahladji in particular.